Hi everyone, welcoming you all. Thank you so much for joining in. If you are interested in retaining the rights of the registered trademark, then trademark renewal is something that you must be interested in and you must do at the earliest before it expires. Before that, let's understand what exactly trademark is. The chief purpose of a trademark is to distinguish between the products, services delivered by the trader or enterprise from those offered by other traders or enterprise. Therefore, a trademark is a very crucial element of any company or business. It identifies a trader and communicates customers that products and services manner the mark come from a notable source, differentiable from all other sources of those products or services. Trademarks are protected by intellectual property rights. After the company's incorporation, the registration of trademark of the company with the registrar of trademark must be done. The registration of trademark is valid for a duration of 10 years only. Therefore, the authorized company need to renew their trademark from time to time in order to retain the rights of the trademark linked with the trademark. Now, in case the company fails to apply for the trademark renewal, then the company can apply for restoration of trademark. The renewal of trademark also supports the authorized owner of the registered trademark to keep that lasting and permanent. In India, the trademark renewal can be done as many times and for how many years the owner of the registered trademark wishes to keep the status active and registered for the same. Now, after understanding what exactly trademark renewal is, how would you know if you really want to go ahead with that or you want to renew your trademark? Let's understand some of the benefits of the renewal. You have a security of the brand name. The trademark renewal in India will promise continuous and unhindered protection of the brand name from other competitors in the market. There will be an actual loss of legal protection of the brand name if the time period to file for the application of the renewal has lapsed. Another benefit is a protection from any frivolous litigation. The time-to-time trademark renewal in India will actually save you the possibility of any kind of frivolous litigation on the authorized owners of the trademark. The renewal makes it impossible for any other person to claim the rights on the trademark other than the authorized owner of the trademark. It also gives you the ownership rights extension. The applicant is authorized to avail protection from the infringement of trademark in India. The trademark renewal in India extends the exclusive rights of the authorized owner over the registered trademark for a time period of 10 years after each trademark renewal in India. It also gives you monetary returns. The owner of a registered trademark in India has exclusive rights to assign or license the trademark to someone else. The trademark assignment and license of the trademark are given to someone else in return for some kind of monetary compensation to the authorized owner of the registered trademark. The owner can thus also make a certain amount of profit from the registered trademark in India. There are also consequences of failure to comply with the trademark renewal requirement. In case if the application for trademark renewal in India is not filed or the prescribed fees of the same is not paid by the registered owner of the registered trademark, the registrar is authorized to remove the trademark from the register of the trademark. Now, before the removal of this, an advertisement of intention of registrar to remove the registered trademark from the register of the trademark is required to be done in the Journal of Trademark. The failure to renew the registered trademark not only affects the authorized owner of the trademark but also affects the other person who is either assigned or licensed with the registered trademark. The non-renewal of the registered trademark also weakens the legal position of the authorized owner of the trademark. The trademark registration gives the benefit of exclusiveness to the authorized owner of the trademark. The registration of trademark protects the authorized owner from the infringement of trademark claims. Now that we have understood the benefits of the trademark renewal as well as we have understood that what are the problems you can face if you do not go ahead with that, Now let's understand that what are exactly the documents that are required if you go ahead with the renewal that is necessary. The very first thing you need is PAN card of the applicant, address proof, power of attorney by the attorney of the applicant, the certificate of trademark registration that is issued by the registry of the trademark, the application filed by the applicant for the registration of the trademark with the registry of the trademark. And now let's move on to the procedure that is required if you go ahead by yourself for the trademark renewal. Now the trademark renewal in India can be done in the following two ways. The very first is the application without any change, and another is application with a change in sign or words in the already existing registered trademark. The procedure for the trademark renewal in India is as follows. The very first step is filing of an application, and then check the status of the application. There is an advertisement that is given in the trademark journal. Now, why us? Our reliable professionals will coordinate with you and help you with the trademark renewal process. They will keep you updated with the status of the application and will be right there 24/7 to help you with all the queries. So I hope to see you soon. Until then, take care and do not forget to share with us that what else do you want the information on. Anything. Share with us in the comments and do like, share and subscribe the video and the channel. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.